suddenly feel, and to know once again that what I feel is real. I could cry, I could smile, I might lay back for a while. Tell me what would I do if I could feel?
Franky M rapping lyrics on a rainy day. I'm feeling okay. Maybe just thinking in a sport and answering phone calls so Franky M scored. Yeah. Franky M, every day I wake up at 6:30 o'clock, put down my pants and suddenly turn in shock because of my big cock. Yeah. Franky M, then I go with my son to school. For me it's really fun because my kid is really cool. I work at the best gym of all Lima. Many times in my bicycle go up to the cima, carrying heavy weights and preparing to the championship of my life. You know baby, my fan number one is my wife, and for me that's the best way. Destroying myself in the gym every day, it feels so right to me. And it's simple as that, because when I smoke weed I put on my hat. Franky M. The next year I will win the gold, and I'm 32 years old. For saying it real is my second time. I'm drinking lemonade with C vitamin and lime is delicious. I hope to Jackie turn real my wishes. Yeah. He turn real my wishes of having a new car, of rap and hip hop. I describe myself as a star. Sliding on the road with my skate and my son, feeling like he has to follow the step of his daddy, the mundial champion of speedboard. I know who understand me, and that's Jesus my Lord. Yeah, Franky M. Sitting on a rainy day.
What would I do if I could reach inside of me and to know how it feels to say, I like what I see?